All right, what up, ecom bosses? So, real quick, just the sun's like setting right now, and it's really bright in my eyes. That's why I'm really lit up right now. It probably looks nice, but I really hopefully this turns out well, right? But a little update, real quick. Okay, so the ads are coming in tonight. It took all week to get them. I understand that, but now it's Friday. It took an entire week to have to get to me, but that's okay. We're not behind yet. It's getting there. What I did today is I had my funnel and my landing page tweaked by a couple of really good people in the business. I have certain connections here and there, so I sent them in my statistics that I got a couple of weeks ago. I sent them in my landing page. I sent them in my product and like the whole thing. And they told me to tweak a bunch of things before actually sending traffic to it from Facebook. So I tweaked a bunch of different things, little small things, copy, pictures. My offer, if you don't know what an offer is, I can probably do that here in a couple of videos. An offer for your product is huge. Like the way your offer sells like hotcakes, or the way your product sells like hotcakes, is by creating a really strong offer for your product. All right, I'm gonna get in a video. That's a different video. Right now, I'm just kind of updating you guys on what's happening. But the ads are coming in tonight. I did a bunch of tweaks to my landing page to really make sure that it's working well. Because one thing I do look at really closely is statistics about my store, not just my ads. Because my ads might be running well, but people are landing on my store and being like, I don't really want this because I don't really know what it does. I don't really care about it. It does not really solve any problem. But once you can get your landing page to convince the consumer that your product solves a problem and that they actually want it, and you can hook them in right away with like a sweet offer and a sweet deal, and that's when your product's really gonna start selling like very well, right? So that's what I did today. I tweaked a bunch of stuff on my landing page per what people who have made 10, 50. There's one dude, really good friend of mine. His name is Jeff Banek. If you look him up on Facebook, JeffBanek, Banek. Yeah, he's made $15 million in one single store, guys. I mean, that's incredible. That's absolutely incredible. But he looked over my funnel and he told me basically to do a couple of things. So I did them all. I have a bunch of ad sets that are lined up for tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm gonna start. So I'm gonna put all my ads in tonight. They're gonna get reviewed, and then tomorrow they're gonna get put up. I'll do a video tomorrow. Every single ad set that I've done, the metrics I'm gonna be looking at, and the plan that I have. So also something that I'm gonna tell you guys today is the plan that I have. And I think you should have a plan. If you don't have a plan, you should really sit down and before you start running any ads, have a plan of what you're going to be doing. Okay? You don't just go in there aimlessly. You got to have a plan, right? Your plan should consist of your emails that you're going to be doing, the retargeting that you're going to be setting up. When you're going to kill an ad set, and when you're going to scale an ad set, when you're going to be vertical integrating, and when you're going to be horizontal or not integrating but scaling, right? You should have a plan of when you're going to do these specific things so you don't really fall behind and get cluttered with a bunch of different things. Like if I test a bunch of things Monday through Friday to see what's working and see what's working and see what's working, and then on Saturday and Sunday and then going forward from that week, I have a bunch of winning ad sets that I found out throughout the week, and then I only dedicate my time to scaling from then on, right? So that's my plan. I have certain dates I'm going to be doing certain things so that I can meet my goal of $10,000 by the end of the year, or by the end of the month, because I'm doing this for you guys. And guess what? I've been, I've been really nervous about? Because I know like 10 or 15 of you guys are like really following along right now. I'm nervous. I might not make it. I might fail miserably. I might not make any money whatsoever. But I'm making it public and I'm trying. I will try my heart out because I'm gonna get this 10K. You know what I mean? And all I'm saying is that if I might fail, but you're gonna be here watching. You're going to be here watching it. So if I fail, you can fail too. It's okay. Failing happens to everyone. But I'm going to tell you right now that I'm going to meet this goal, 10K. So I'm committed, dedicated. I made a plan. You should make a plan too. Like and subscribe to this video. Comment below if you have any comments or questions or whatever it is. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm hopefully going to get these ads going soon. And it's off to the races to then, right? Oh, if you're watching to the end of the video, I want to let you know. Me and my friends have a bet. Whoever shaves their mustache before the end of No Shave November has to put in $400 and split between whoever hasn't shaved it yet. So let's say 2 people shaved it, and 2 people put $400 in, so that's $800 total, and then the other 5 people split the $800 But I don't think anyone's shaving it. Who wants to spend that much money just to shave your mustache, right? So that's why I kind of look like a bum right now. But hey, I kind of like it. All right, so let's kill the econ games. I'll see you tomorrow.